Consider iconic companies like Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble when they first introduced their dividend payments. These remarkable dividend growth stocks have the potential to unlock tremendous opportunities and might just be the next dividend kings. The first company is Paycom, ticker PAYC, a human management software company. Paycom has consistently averaged a 33% year-over-year revenue growth over the past decade, which is pretty impressive. What makes Paycom special is their recent announcement of a dividend payment of an annual rate of $1.50, payable quarterly, which would equate to a 19% payout ratio, which makes sense. With a profit margin of 21%, they can continue to reinvest the capital back into the business, and as time goes on, they're in a good position to grow their dividend payment to shareholders. The next stock is United Rentals, ticker URI. United Rentals just announced a dividend payment, declaring its first ever quarterly dividend of $1.48 per share, or $5.92 per share annually, giving the stock a forward dividend yield of about 1.6%. Not bad for just getting started. United Rentals is the largest equipment retailer provider in the United States and has generated $5.7 billion in free cash flow over the past 3 years. In the past, United Rentals would find an acquisition or repurchase shares, but the board opted to pay dividends with their current payout ratio of 5%, which is great, since URI can maintain its dividend payment while reinvesting into their business, looking for more acquisitions in the future. Last but not least, Lam Research, ticker LRCX. This company doesn't manufacture or develop integrated circuits, but rather supply semiconductor manufacturing companies' equipment. Lam Research has a dividend of 1.11%, paying a dividend of $6.90 annually with a payout ratio of 17.9%. Additionally, Lam Research has continually increased their dividend payment for 8 years in a row. Lam Research currently has a profit margin of 26% and has averaged a revenue growth of 20% over the past decade. Lastly, this company is in a fast-growing industry with massive clientele such as Taiwan Semiconductor and Samsung, just to name a few. Dividend growth stocks offer investors the best of both worlds, the potential for capital appreciation and a steady stream of dividend income. As the company's profitability improves, these stocks often increase their dividend payments, enhancing the overall returns and overall appreciation. As you can see, the reinvested capital on what are now dividend kings show tremendous returns. I created this list to give you ideas about what to look for when investing and hopefully a different perspective. If you want to make the best investment ever, be sure to smash the subscribe button.